Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. Doge obviously also suffered yesterday, with that sell-off across the sector that we witnessed. But yeah, Doge did still hold our support level. In fact, it actually just followed the overall wave count that I wanted to see, which was a clear wave 4. What we had here, that was this swing low that formed in the middle of December. That was a little bit weak for all of wave 4. Yeah, if you can see that, it was a bit of weakness. So the idea was we are moving up in a B wave. I think I gave you resistance, but it actually finished way earlier. It did actually reach the ideal level, but if time-wise, it didn't get back into that region. So yeah, the price formed a nice 3-wave move to the downside, which is what we often see in these wave 4 corrections. The only thing is the wave 4 looks quite sharp. Okay, so it's just something to consider. Normally the wave 2, if the wave 2 is sharp, the wave 4 is rather a sideways correction, but it's only a guideline, so it's just something to be aware of. It's a diagonal anyway, we can't really trust it, okay? You can never trust diagonals fully. That's one of these problems that really, you can really only start to trust the structure after 5 waves up have formed. 5 waves up have formed, and then the 3-wave pullback gives a good trade setup basically. At the moment, all we see here is a potential diagonal. What we can do is connect the tops of wave 1 and 3, add it to the low of the wave 2, and then we take a look at a potential, or we look for low points around this area. Well, it would be around the golden ratio, 7.2 cents. First of all, I'm interested to see if the chart might have bottomed already. So it doesn't need to go any lower. I'll show you why in a minute. And then obviously it would be important to hold that 7.2 cent level. That's always a wave 4 in a diagonal. We can accept the golden ratio. We can accept the 61.8 retracement level, but already below the 50% fib level, which is at 7.7 cents, things are starting to shift potentially towards something more bearish. But at the moment, I'm just observing, can we hold this box for now? It's looking okay. So there's no reason at the moment to, let's say, believe it would break it. If it breaks, it breaks. Then we have to readjust. But for now, the support level is quite clear. And if we look at the microstructure, again, we could get one more low. And if we form one more low, if one more low happens, then this would be a 1. This would be here. Probably actually, I guess you can debate if the wave 1 is here or here. We could even get 2 more lows possibly. See, 3, 4, 5. Depends if it's sometimes we shouldn't really try to, to see the micro as too predictive, especially not if there was a liquidity event like the one that actually happened, because sometimes you see distortions. Sometimes some of these subwave structures are sort of hidden within one candle, but I think it would look good with one more low. But nevertheless, what we can do, we can take the length of the A wave, then we go to the high of the B wave, and typically, like an ideal target for a C wave is the 100% extension level of the A wave, and that's at 7.8 cents. So that's what I mean, it doesn't need to go any lower. It's from a Fibonacci point of view, it already reached what it needed to reach, and it's just that sometimes these subwave structures are hidden, as I said. So not entirely clear if we need another low or not, but this is only the micro perspective. These boxes are there for a reason. You can incorporate these levels into your trading plan. They typically lead to some kind of a response. If it's going to be already a sustained reversal, or let's say, a substantial reversal that will lead the price into the wave 5 area around 11.5 to 13.7 cents, we will see. The bulls will decide that together with the bears, but I can tell you that a break above that last swing high at 9.5 cents would be a first suggestion, indication that a low has formed. That's my update about Doge. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.